This is a perfect sink. Looks very elegant, doesn't it? Jerry said, "Mom doesn't have to cook for me tonight." Just using a few nails can improve efficiency several times. It's amazing! His dream may be to be an astronaut. This is a piece of art. The water looks like it is flowing up. It would be great to have in your home. Do you always forget the direction of opening the door? Use it and you will no longer worry about opening the door in the wrong direction. This is amazing. It looks like playing a game without the hassle of using a machine. When you ride it, many passers-by will definitely look at you, and the return rate is 100%. Workers had to constantly climb down from the roof. Fortunately, nature rewarded these people for their ingenuity. It seems that buying an RV does not necessarily require buying a matching car. Only a big house behind it is enough. Oh my God, this is real moving. This tool can easily give you a big bare tree. This motorcycle looks so handsome. I'm sure you don't want to drive alongside it. It looks like a woodpecker, but how does it get up little by little? I believe no one can break this record. It must be very protective, but I don't think anyone would wear it. This industrious man, it is physically impossible to achieve similar results without such a homemade installation. This machine not only provides high speed, but also cuts very neatly. My afro is finally saved! If it sprays water, I believe it will bring a lot of benefits to the environment. Finally, I know why the bushes on the roadside all look the same. They are so smart, they travel with their mobile homes. This looks like an alien craft. God, I hope the inventor can make more. The horse said, "I thank you." It seems that the bricks I saw were not really made piece by piece. When your phone runs out of battery, prepare a potato. This invention is a benefit for people with leg problems. If the glass is broken, there is no need to replace it. Use it to repair it and continue using it.